So this is the demo of my PA3. As you can see here, I've got an SB node manager that I have removed. This will handle multiple sprites and sprite boxes being added to the program. I removed the singleton pattern in this one because it'll be used multiple times. In this project, I've also implemented a sprite box manager, a sprite manager, sprite base, which is an abstract class that handles both the sprite boxes and the game sprites. And I've also separated out some various class diagrams for the image manager, the SB node manager, the sprite base, sprite box manager, sprite manager, and texture manager. I've left the demo mostly the same, so it has same functionality for the most part. I've modified the game.cs file to be updated with the latest and greatest changes for the sprite batch information. So you can see here that I've attached the various aliens and the two boxes I've created for my program. I'm going to click start and it'll run my diagram here. So we've got the moving aliens with different alien types, static guy, one that's rescaling, two sprite boxes that change colors, and one that rescales based on the counter that runs in the background of the program. Thanks for watching.